Do you hear that? Good morning, soul family. If you found yourself here, hi, welcome in. If you're new, my name is Melissa. Glad to have you. If you're returning, welcome back. So yeah, there may be a lot of healing taking place right now. The ambulance is just going by. There's a lot of healing taking place. Okay, that's what Spirit's saying. I'm also hearing incoming. Okay. All right, so I'm hearing don't stop showing your light. Don't stop sharing your light. We have hope coming out. Wow, okay, hope. If there's something that I have learned, it's that faith is stronger than fear. It's that hope is stronger than fear. It's that holding on to the light and holding on to hope. It's the greatest gift that you can give to yourself in this world. I don't know if many of you know this, but my father passed away in 2018. And that's what got me into this work, to study this work, to study mediumship, psychic abilities, shamanism, and step up as a medicine woman. This is my path in life and why I came. And in the darkest moments of my life, my dad dying, all of his illnesses that he went through, he was in a wheelchair my entire life. Everything that I went through, I held on to faith, to hope, over fear. With pain comes strength. I found the light in the darkness, and I've held on to hope ever since. And ever since then, my life has changed in the most beautiful, impactful, miraculous ways. Healing taking place. I'm being shown that I'm sharing this story with you right now. Because wherever you are in the dark, remember that you are the light. This message just made me a little emotional. And don't stop believing in yourself. And don't stop believing in a higher power. The higher power within you. The higher power that is you. The higher power that lives around you. All around us. That goes by thousands of names that cannot be named. Don't ever stop believing in that and having hope. Because that light, that faith, that hope is what's going to reshape this world. And you, my love, that is why you came. That is why you came. Do not stop showing up and sharing your light. This world needs your light. Wow. And the more you show up, the abundance coming out. The more you show up and you share that light, the more, it's like, oh, how do I describe this? When you win, when you show up, when you share that light, that abundance of love in you, it ripples out and it shares from other people and cups overflowing around the world. It's just this abundance of overflow of love around the world. And I'm also hearing when you show up in your light, when you show up in what you're meant to be doing, you show up sharing yourself. The abundance that comes with that. When you express yourself, when you speak your truth, when you share your light, whatever the fuck that looks like, dancing, singing, making art, teaching, creating in some way, shape, or form, sharing your light, creating in some way, shape, or form. The abundance that comes from this, when you pour from your heart, when you pour from this overflow. And I am living proof. Everything that I do here at Divine Dove, I am living proof of this. My dad died. I was curious as to why. Why was he so sick my entire life? So I dove into mediumship so I could talk to him. And which led me to Reiki, and led me to shamanism, and led me to, here I am today as Melissa Senkel, the medicine woman, knowing my Celtic and Nordic roots, and that this is who I am, this is who I've always been and why I came. And I found that silver lining and that I show up now in this energy. I show up. I created Divine Dove. I created a business. I created a place where I could serve my mission. I have so many different offerings and things that I do in this community. If you're interested, I would be honored to hold that space for you. Everything that I offer is linked in the description. But what I'm saying is I'm living proof. I have just followed the call. I have just followed spirit. I have followed my heart. I have shared, I've created things here at Divine Dove that I know are meant to change this world. And I've seen the impact and what it is doing on hundreds of people's lives over the years, what I've been doing in this work. And I'm so fucking grateful. And so what I'm saying is we have Vulture coming out. Vultures are here now. Vultures and crows are here. Thank you, thank you. So what I'm saying is show up and shine your light however you feel called to, and you will be taken care of. 666-606, don't worry about the material world. Just take the actions towards your dreams, towards your goals, and then the material world will materialize. Get what I'm saying? Does this make any sense? This is probably some of you for money, considering abundance has come out. Inside of my Remember course, there is the Wealth and Abundance Codes Masterclass if you are interested, as well as energy like protection and tools to support you if you need them. There's so much inside of that. But what I'm hearing is that when you show up in a place of overflow, in a place of service, in a place of trust, trusting in yourself, trusting in your actions, trusting in the higher power that is guiding you, it all works out. And you need to know that. This is your confirmation. Hope and abundance. Do not stop believing in the goodness in this world, and keep showing up to be an example of that, because we need you. Okay. I love you. I hope that this served you well. If you feel called to dive in deeper into a personalized reading or private session, like I mentioned earlier, everything that I offer is linked in the description on my website. I will see you in the next aligned channeled message for you. Goodbye for now.